starting. But Earth is large, and we might think the Earth is too explored to discover. However, the Earth's surface is mostly covered by water, and only 5% have been explored. And what's more, there are lots of species we unknown in the deep ocean, but we have to investigate better satellite data and more sophisticated underwater vehicle to find out. For good news, there are 2 discoveries.
And the scientists found the coral reef in the Atlantic deep sea, and the scientists dive into the sea and collect the specimens, and they use the specimen to examine it for years, and they used these specimens to predict how the organism fragile. Why? Because it may be affected by human and impacted by human. And they also found that a pristine coral reef, and this coral reef is more resilient in the face of world environment, and this coral reef help recycle nutrients and improve the ecosystem in the whole world.
Zealandia, which is most submerged, was officially recognized as a continent based on geological evidence. Researchers use scientific studies, include data about sediment core at different depths to support their claim. And in 2017, they published findings providing sufficient evidence for this classification. This discovery helps scientists better understand history of Zealandia and also recognize the climate and the geography of Zealandia was different in the past.
But however, there are some disagreement on the definition of continent, whether a land meets the criteria to be recognized as a continent. So what's the point of finding a new continent? We can know how plants and animals are developed and dispersed and evolved. We can also know how global climate system works. All of this could help us predict the future. Yeah. So it's obviously for the Earth to find more potential to discover new things, but we have to think, is it good for us to discover new things? So the main point is we should have motivation to continue to explore the world.